Hi guys, I was extremely drained throughout the workout because I didn't have a breakfast. So right now I'm very hungry. So let's make my favorite
Now I know
breakfast.
that bread is not good, especially in the morning, but I used to love having my avocados with like my bajra khakras in the morning. But since I've started tried it with bread, there is no going back because like bread and avocados like the perfect match. Like I love having it so often. But I try to make this at least once a week, and it's like a whole treat for me whenever I make this. I also use this zero maida bread, and I'm literally hoping that this brand won't scam me like our regular wheat breads. I enjoyed my breakfast watching my favorite Tamcor podcast, and it was a whole experience. And after that, I also oiled my hair with this Indie Wild Chumpy oil. Now, I don't really apply oil to my roots, I just apply it on the end so that they get that moisture that they need. And I do try to take this very seriously after I've got like a lot of split ends. I even take care of my sun exposure.
Alright guys, I am finally done with my shower and my morning prayers. I did go to offer prayers because I do that every day, but I did not really want to take her along because I'm still not comfortable removing a camera there. But yeah, now I'm back and my hair are wet. I didn't really comb it because I wanted them to just naturally dry. But now I feel like this day is turning into a morning routine. But it's not a morning routine. I have to get into the cleaning part and the reset part because I have a lot of things to do and a lot of places to go. So I think I should hurry now. But before that, let's just take some more time out and do my morning skincare. I am actually having cystic acne right now. I don't think that I have actually come in and spoke to you all about my whole acne situation, but I was breaking out very badly. I don't know, out of nowhere. But it turns out that I have cystic acne. I did go to a dermat, and now I have a whole medical kit here with me that I'm going to use every day. And I am trying to be very consistent about this, guys. So I have to apply this one tube every morning. I'll quickly just do that. I have to apply it on my acne. And apart from that, I really have a lot of plans for Diwali. But before that, I really feel like I have not been into my routine at all. And when I tell you all, I have put an alarm to wake up every day for a week, but I have not woken up. It's actually very embarrassing and sad that I have not been able to commit and do it for myself, because trust me guys, when you're in front of the camera and you're editing all day, your body 100% needs some sort of movement. You need to sweat, you need a break. During my college days, I feel like I used to walk till the station. I used to come back home walking from the station. So in some or the other way there was some movement, but when you're just constantly filming and constantly editing, it's just like a rat circle that you keep running into, and it's very bad for your health. And I am slowly realizing the importance of certain things that I should be doing.
Now it's time to finally start cleaning, and yes, you guys, my wardrobe is this messy. I usually have sections for going out, at home wear, gym wear, but right now they're all just mixed. I feel like this trick really helped, but I did not take all my clothes out at once. I just took different piles out, and this is my at home tops, bottoms, kind of like a pile. So I'm just making two piles here, one that I want to keep and the other one that I'm giving away. I got rid of quite a few at home wear because I feel like I don't wear everything, and I do want to shop for some more comfy t-shirts in the future. Now I'm also going through the rest three piles, and I'm going to remove a few clothes from them too.
Okay guys, so I feel like we have made some progress, but I have not yet completed putting everything back because it's a lot. But now I just have to like clean all the surfaces and arrange my going out clothes because I haven't touched that, and that is the main part that I have to deal with. But I'll do that, and I'll also have to clean all the surfaces and put like naphthalene balls and do all of that like deep cleaning from the inside. But right now I'm just trying to like place everything to actually make place for things, and then I'll do all the cleaning part later. Here I have all my cord sets that I'm gonna wear at home. These are my everyday at home tops. These are my comfy bottoms that I wear every day at home. These are my workout clothes, pants, and like just like t-shirts and stuff. And these are like not very at home wear, but like I want to wear them if I'm going to like a coffee shop, or like just like comfy cotton t-shirts that I can wear if I'm going for a walk or something where I have to look a bit presentable. Like sometimes having like minimal clothes really helps, even like finding things that you want to look for. Okay guys, hi, I am coming to you all after a very long time. That is because now we are on a shoot, and as you all can see I'm sweating a lot, and my dearest brother is here to help me film. He's very awkward now, but I am here in Kala Ghoda and I'm filming for this reel that I had in mind for a very long time for my Diwali content. And this is a dupatta shop that's very pretty, so I just thought of coming here and making some content for my reels. And I'm sweating a lot, but I'm so excited because you guys, the collection is very pretty. I'll give you all a small tour here, and yeah, we will film a lot. So we just got done with the shoot, and now we came to Zen Cafe because I was sweating so much and it was so suffocating and it was so hot. But now I just came here to specially have my favorite Nutella iced coffee. And if you remember, I filmed my very first YouTube video on this very table, and that's why this table is so special to me. But yeah, like now I'm just trying to like cool down, relax, enjoy my coffee, and then maybe I'll go home and do more cleaning because my Diwali reset is still pending, and I did really want to rush this dupatta shoot mainly because I feel like taking the reel live a bit before Diwali would make more sense, right? So yeah, like I really wanted to make that shoot happen today, but now we're just resting. The AC is really helping us, and we're having some yummy coffee. This is my favorite Nutella iced latte from Zen Cafe because I absolutely love it.
सबका नाम क्यों लिखा है?
I cannot put this behind. Okay guys, I think now I have changed and I'm feeling a little bit more comfortable because it's so hot in Bombay that I don't even see winter and fall coming anywhere soon because it's so hot right now. But yeah, this t-shirt really helps. It's from Zudio, by the way. It's so comfy. But now I'm gonna just play a podcast by Tamcor, which is right here, and now we have to actually start cleaning. This whole cleaning thing made me realize that I don't have any at-home tops when I stay home literally 80% of my life. Like I barely go out that often, and I have so many going out tops which I've barely even touched, which is so sad. But yeah, like I feel like I should invest more in like PJs, cotton tops, spaghetti tops. That would be so cute, right? Like wearing those at home.
you all are doing well. Today is the next day, and yesterday I could actually complete cleaning my whole cupboard, and I'm so relieved right now, like I can't even tell you all. But we still have a bit more cleaning to do. But right now I was just filming for a reel because I don't know why I feel like I'm slacking so much on my reels that I just really don't want to like miss out on like Diwali content. It's more like a FOMO. But I put my very cute bathrobe, and I wanted this one video that I wanted to film, like a makeup video, since a very long time. And I was like kind of contemplating about my acne, and like I should wait for it to settle down and then I'll film like a makeup video, you know. And then I was like, you know what, I will never feel prepared, so I'll just give it. Like, I mean, there's nothing bad about acne regardless. Like, I mean, there are certain people who think it's bad, but like there are certain people who know what is it like to have acne. Anyways, so I am done filming that video, and that video was so perfectly filmed, but I feel like the angle was very zoomed in. Anyways, now we will just go ahead with our day. I will also end up cleaning my shoe rack and my makeup vanity drawer, but you'll have to look at this mess first. You guys, here's what my video looks like. I don't know how I feel about it, but I just like gave in, and I was so like worried about different angles and my background, but whatever. But now we have this mess that I have to clean first. The best part is just that my room is clean and I have decluttered a lot of stuff. Only my shoe drawer is left, which we'll do right now. But before that, I feel like today we will also go to Bhuleshwar market. It is a very pretty desi market in South Bombay, and I actually want to go there specifically only and only to get diyas, because I feel like since the past 2 years I have been using the same old diyas. Like, apart from that, I really want to clean my room in terms of like the dust and do all of that right now, and also clean my shoe rack. So yeah, let's do that and let's get ready for Diwali. I am so excited for this, you guys. I hope even you guys are cleaning your homes and like, you know, just doing like these small little things that actually makes it feel like it's Diwali, right? I really hope you all have enjoyed watching all the time-lapse videos that I've done, because it looks like it's a 2-minute time-lapse, but it's taken me literally an hour to clean everything and also film it simultaneously. Alright guys, it's finally time to go Diwali shopping to Bhuleshwar, and I'm very happy because my room is literally squeaky clean and I feel fresh. So let's go and get some pretty diyas from Bhuleshwar. This market can be very crowded, but I feel like the more later I go, the more it would be crowded.
So it's better to just go now, and I really hope I get some pretty diyas. I'm also using this new razai that I got from Jaipur, and the previous one is pretty worn out, so I feel like I'll give that away. And this cute little pink razai, it's reversible, so it has like two prints, one on the front and the other one on the back. And yeah, I'm very excited to use this again. It's so cute, and this goes perfectly with my room.
The amount of variety here is going to drive you crazy, but I just wanted some very plain diyas because I might paint these later, and this lotus one was literally so pretty and I could only find this at this specific shop, so you all should definitely visit the shop outside Sarvodaya Beads. Another shop you can visit for like your wall hangings or like these decor latkans is right next to Gokul Pearl Beads. You can write all of this on Google. I'm sure you will find it on Google Maps as well. And they have the prettiest latkans. I have got my lotus decor thing from this shop only, and there are few shops in this lane inside as well. And I also got a mini lotus for myself for tomorrow.
Guys, we are here at the end of this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed watching it. I shot on my new camera for the very first time, like a YouTube video. But yeah, I really hope that you all enjoyed watching me, and do let me know if you all have any feedback or like your thoughts on this video. I feel like this video was just more of cleaning because it makes so much sense to like only show that, and of course get some diyas and do all of that. But I feel like from now you all can only expect a lot of cooking videos, maybe dressing up videos and makeup videos and like all of the fun stuff, because we only have like 1 week left for Diwali. So today I feel like I'll just plan everything and start filming, because I'm so excited to like actually film, edit and post all those content pieces. And tonight I'll just take it very slow because editing this video has taken a lot of my time and energy, mainly because of storage issues which I will have to work on. And right now I just thought of lighting my favorite incense stick by Forest Essentials. It's my favorite and I did use it very often like during the summer season, but then I was trying to like save it for like special occasions. But now that it's Diwali, it just makes so much more sense to like use this incense stick and like clean the aura of this room. And I wanted to do that first because I got like a few stuff from like Chor Bazaar and stuff, and someone DM'd me telling me that, you know what, Malari, you should definitely clean the aura and like the negative energy. If these pieces bring those negative energies to your room, you should definitely clean it. And I was like, yeah, you do make sense. So I feel like the last step of this reset would just be to light some incense sticks, wind down, have some yummy dinner and take it slow from tomorrow, because you all are going to see some really good content pieces from tomorrow. And yeah, let me just do this now.
The trees say they're tired, they've